UBM Kharkrang IPS Inspector General of Prisons hakasngi thoding ula paidbah ya santali kikali kitkoidi kibathamai Hashilong District Jail. Hakane kasngi ladan langru UBS nong tenger USP ka East Khasi Hills bat kiwe ki pulit. Nakaliang katanat prison jongka jela klasimru ketuk ne kirukom trekam kibathamai dakabapen kelai kamuto jongka kabalatip kumka challenging life through corrective steps.
We have just flagged off 5 of the UTP vans. This is just one part of it, but I just want to share with you some of the steps that we have taken towards prisons reforms. One of the things that we have done is that we want to change the approach of the prisons department towards the inmates. So now we are trying to reform that and make it a more human approach. So first of all, what we have done is we have set up our motto of the prisons department as changing life through corrective steps or corrective measures. And the second thing is that we have initiated this skill development, and this is with the support of the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society, and they will be starting off with Shillong District Jail, where they will be teaching the inmates in various skills like soap making, tailoring, food processing, agriculture, computer training also. And this is not that has been imposed on the inmates, but we have asked them if they want to be trained in any of the skill development. So we will be willingly impart to them the training. And subsequently also we are also looking at placing them in various employment agencies not after they have left the prisons. And the third thing that we have done is that we are tying up with this Indian Oil Corporation Limited. There's a program called this Parivartanam Prison to Pride, and we will be launching that probably in January 26, where various sports activities coaching will be given to all the inmates as per the discipline that they would like to be imparted. And a lot of them have come forward, and they said a lot of them they want to be imparted with the various coachings like carom board and football, volleyball, all these kind of things. Not so we are tying up this with this Indian Oil Corporation Limited. And the third thing is that like what we have done is for any reformation, the first and foremost I feel is that the nomenclature of the department has to also change. So what we have done is we have written to the government to change the name of the prisons department from prisons department to prisons and correctional services. And hopefully government will be coming out with notification. As far as I know, the approval has been given, and shortly they will be coming out with the notification. And another thing that we have done is that now we will be imparting training to our warders and all, and especially because they are the ones who are interacting with the inmates on a daily basis. So we are imparting training to them on behavioral changes towards the inmates. And last of all is that we are coming up with the central prisons in a land which has been allotted to us in the New Shillong Township. There's a land of about 25 acres that has been allotted for us, and shortly we'll be coming up with a master plan on this. So these are the few of the steps that we have taken towards police reforms. I'm not sure about the actual figure, but probably must be about 19 lakhs.
Each?
Yeah, each. So we are giving to all. In fact, they will be placed at the disposal of the district police, and one of them will be placed at the disposal of the subdivisional police officer, Datengiri, because they also have of transportation of inmates to Turaj court.